Hey guys, I've had a few requests for an update on the fire station project that we started about 4.5 months ago. I went out there today, they were pouring concrete, so I thought it'd be a good time to get the drone up and get some cool shots of what's going on out there. For our end of the work, we have all of the wet utilities installed. We've got the sanitary sewer is in, the domestic water, the fire service water, and the storm sewer, which consists of dry wells that were in a trench that was 25 feet deep, 12 feet wide, and 140 feet long. To dig that, we had to dig through a lot of boulders, and we had some specialized tools, as you can see. I also took some damage to one of the buckets. It was really tough digging, to be sure. We've also got the footings all in, and today they're pouring 190 yards of concrete for the slab for the building. The walls will start framing up a week from today, so I will try to continue to post updates about the project and how it's coming along, and as well as the milling of the wood that's going to go in the building. Take a look at these drone shots. I think they came out pretty good, and we will keep you updated and see you soon. Thanks for watching.